How to fix KB5050021 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If essential services for Windows Update are disabled or not running, the update process can fail. Ensuring these services are active can help resolve the issue. If it is not running, double-click it, select Automatic under the Startup type from the drop-down menu. Insufficient storage space can stop updates from installing. The update requires some free space for temporary files and installation. The built-in troubleshooters can identify and fix common update issues automatically. Corrupted update files or services might cause installation problems. Resetting these components can help. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.